Welcome back once again, and today we are going to discuss paragraph writing. This is a very important part of short composition. Okay, so what is a paragraph? A paragraph is a brief piece of writing. Understood? It means it's a small composition that is around 7 to 10 sentences long. In another word, you can say a paragraph is a series of sentences that are organized and coherent and are all related to a single topic. Practicing paragraph writing helps develop clear and concise communication skills. Parts of a paragraph. So, there are three parts of paragraph. A paragraph has three parts. The first one, topic sentence, then supporting sentence, and then conclusion. Now look at this. Topic sentence means whatever the topic is given to you, you need to find out some supporting statement on for the topic. Try to use colorful vocabulary. Try to use good vocabulary. Your diction must be good. And then conclude the sentence. A good paragraph has unity, support, coherence, good language, and variety of structure. Unity. A paragraph with unity develops a single idea thoroughly and links it to the rest of the paper. Support. The main idea of the paragraph with details. One main idea, topic sentences, other sentences to support. Next, coherence. Coherence in writing means the logical bridge between words and sentences and paragraphs. Main ideas and meaning can be difficult for reader to follow if writing lack coherence. It means if you are not going step by step, then the readers cannot get the exact idea. Process of writing. Firstly, when you get any topic, try to gather relevant information on that topic. Organize meaningful sequence, then draft. What draft means, what comes first, what comes next, just draft it. Then edit means check either it is grammatically correct or not. Revise it and then refine. If you find any correction, then improve it. Then publish the final version. Okay, now good language. Grammatical accuracy is very important. Correct punctuation, apt vocabulary, and variety of structures. Types of paragraphs. So, there are in this triangle, you could see there are four types of paragraph: informative, persuasive, narrative, and descriptive. Let's read further. What is narrative paragraph? Narrative paragraph tells a story or recounts events in a sequential order. What are the features? Character, setting, and a plot with a beginning, middle, and end. Example, see, it's your own story. Understood? Like last summer, we visited a serene beach where the waves gently lapped against the shore and the golden sunset and the sky blaze with colors. Now, descriptive paragraph, it describes about a person, place, object, or experience vividly to create a mental picture. Means when you read these kind of paragraph, a picture began to form in your mind. What are the features? It's a sensory details. Means you know that your mind started imagining those colorful pictures in the sentences which you are talking about. It is figurative. For example, if I say the garden was a riot of colors with vibrant red roses. Now you can imagine there is a garden and the garden was full of red roses, yellow marigolds and lush green grass shimmering under the morning dew. Now, expository paragraph. Expository paragraph explains or informs about a topic in a clear, factual, and logical manner. Features, they include facts, example, logical explanation without any personal opinion. It means they are objective, not subjective. For example, photosynthesis is a process by which plants convert sunlight into energy using chlorophyll to absorb light and carbon dioxide from the air. It means you cannot enter any of the word of your choice. These are logical. These are based on facts. Next, persuasive paragraph. Persuasive paragraph tries to convince the reader for something, like how much homework is too much. Every day, student stays up very late to finish their homework. After a stressful day in school, after hard practice for school sports team, and maybe some hours of hard work, they come home and only thing they want to do is going to bed. It means he is convincing. Understood? So persuasive is a kind of convincing paragraph. Now informative paragraph and expository paragraph are the same. They explain an idea and inform facts. So you just also go through, like we have already read in expository. So expository and informative are same. Like gold, a precious metal, you know that it is a fact, is prized for two important characteristics. First of all, gold has lustrous beauty, that is resistant to corrosion. Okay. Now look at this, climate change and clean energy. So you know that firstly when you are writing a paragraph, you need to write what? Heading. This is topic, climate change and clean energy. So now you can write in a 7 to 9 sentences for a topic, like climate change is an increase in the average global temperature. This increase is caused by human activities that causes increasing emission of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. Now this is what? This is factual, or this is expository paragraph, because you are getting facts and information related to the topic, such as carbon dioxide, a number of disaster consequences like extreme weather patterns resulting into superstorms, also extreme weather calamities like heat waves, droughts, and negative Arctic oscillation, and diminishing chances for the various ecosystem to adapt naturally, and acidification of the oceans can take place. It leads to the failure of agricultural output, major reason being the sources of energy used by humans like coal, gas and petroleum for producing heat and electricity, which result in the release of greenhouse gases into the surroundings. Also, fossil fuels are non-renewable sources of energy, and these do not replenish. Hence, we must use energy generated renewable resources. Energy so produced is called clean energy, which does not result in climate change. So you can see the next one, a summer day. It means it's not a expository expository paragraph. Which kind of paragraph it is? It is let me tell you, this one is narrative paragraph. It means you are giving a narration, okay, for this. Like the heat of summer was its peak, the temperature of the day rose at 40 degrees Celsius with hot winds blowing outside. It was almost intolerable to walk in the scorching heat. So this is narrative, and narrative could be subjective. But this one is not subjective. The first one is objective. So thank you so much for